Alright, hey guys, what's up? My name is Dunn. I'm a licensed physical therapist in Texas, and today I'm going to do a quick Amazon review of the Pso Rite. Now this tool is very firm and it's used to lay on your stomach and put it into your hip flexors, directly into your psoas. So you lay on your stomach and you put this guy right next to your belly button on either side, and it gets into those hip flexors. Now, this is really intense and really painful. I personally think it's a little much for a lot of people. Now, if you're one that really likes deep tissue massages and someone who's responded well to the deep psoas work from a manual therapist, a massage therapist, whoever, then it might be for you. But if it's someone that you've done the psoas work, someone's released your psoas and it's really uncomfortable and you have a hard time tolerating it, you're probably not going to tolerate this firmness and the intensity of it. Some people I've had, a lot of my athletes love it. A lot of people that sit a lot for their job love it. But again, it is intense, and there are some softer, gentler ways of doing it. So give it a try and tell me what you think.